When was the last time you felt fully present, not distracted, not scattered, not lost in 1,000 thoughts, just fully alive, focused, intentional, powerful? Most people today don't even remember that feeling. Their minds jump like monkeys from thought to thought, notification to notification, impulse to impulse, and the truth is, it's not their fault. The world is designed to steal focus, not build it. But what if within you there existed a power, an ability, that could cut through the noise, silence the chaos, and give you the ability to lock onto your goals like a laser? That power is focus, and today, I want to take you on a journey to reclaim it. Welcome to Modify Yourself. Focus is not a gift. It is not luck. It is not something some people are born with and others are not. Focus is a skill, a muscle, and just like every muscle, it grows stronger when you train it and weak when you ignore it. And right now, many people are walking around with the mental strength of someone who hasn't exercised in years. Their attention is untrained, undisciplined, uncontrolled, but you're here because you are ready to train your mind differently. You are ready to build a mind that obeys your command instead of dragging you in every direction. So let me ask you something. When your mind wanders, who is in control? When you pick up your phone without thinking, who is in control? When you sit to work but end up scrolling, who is in control? Be honest, because most people live their life on autopilot. They react, they drift, they distract themselves from the very life they say they want to build. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Distraction is not your enemy. Your undisciplined mind is. And if your mind can be trained, then your future can be transformed. Imagine this. You sit down to work, and instead of fighting thoughts, you flow. Instead of resisting temptation, you rise above it. Instead of feeling pulled toward every little thing, you lock onto one mission with a calm, powerful confidence. That version of you exists, and you can reach it. But to train the mind, you must understand the mind. Your mind listens to what you repeatedly do. If you constantly give in to distraction, your mind learns to seek distraction. If you constantly interrupt your own work, your mind learns that focus isn't necessary. But when you sit with discomfort, when you resist the instant hit of dopamine, when you choose one task and finish it before moving to the next, your mind learns endurance, strength, clarity. Focus begins with awareness. Right now, feel the space you're in. Feel your breath. Feel your thoughts trying to race ahead. That is the first battle. Your mind will try to escape the present moment, because the present moment is where real work happens. It's where growth begins. Your mind wants ease, but your future requires discipline. To train your mind to focus, you must reclaim your time from the world. You must build habits that sharpen your attention instead of shattering it. Start with one simple rule. Do one thing at a time. No multitasking, no switching, no scattering. Choose a task, set a timer, and don't break your commitment. Every time you resist the urge to check your phone, your mental muscle grows. Every time you finish a task before starting the next, your mental muscle grows. Every time you sit with boredom, your mental muscle grows. Focus is a battle between who you are and who you want to become. And every moment of temptation is an opportunity to train. Some days your mind will feel weak. Some days you will fail. Some days you will sit down to work and feel nothing but restlessness. That's okay. Training doesn't require perfection. It requires consistency. When a runner starts training, the first kilometer feels heavy. When a beginner lifts weights, everything feels difficult. But with time, repetition, and commitment, the body adapts. The mind works the same way. You build focus the same way you build strength, repetition, discipline, silence, presence, practice. Focus also grows where clarity exists. You cannot train your mind to lock in if you don't give it a target. Every morning, before the world attacks your attention, choose 3 things, only 3, that matter the most. These are your priorities, your non-negotiables. When your mind has fewer decisions to make, it becomes sharper. When your mind has a direction, distraction loses its power. And then there is silence. In a world filled with noise, silence is your superpower. Spend a few minutes every day alone, without your phone, without stimulation, without distraction. Let your mind settle. Let your thoughts slow. This stillness strengthens the mind like nothing else. Meditation, even for 5 minutes, is mental weightlifting. It is the gym for your attention. When you close your eyes and watch your thoughts, your focus sharpens. When you gently bring your mind back each time it wanders, you train the very skill you need to master your life. And finally, you must remove the poison, the endless scrolling, the constant multitasking. The digital noise, the toxic habits that pull your mind in 100 directions. Your environment shapes your attention. Clean it, simplify it, protect it. Do not let the world hijack your mind, because listen. If you cannot control your attention, you cannot control your life. If you cannot master your focus, you cannot master your future. But you are not here to stay unfocused. You are not here to live distracted. You are here because something inside you knows you are capable of more, capable of depth, capable of discipline, capable of greatness. So from this moment forward, I want you to commit to a simple truth. Your mind is your responsibility. Your focus is your weapon, and your future depends on how well you train them. You want to build a business, focus. You want to transform your body, focus. You want to develop skills, focus. You want to change your life, focus. Everything you dream of achieving begins with attention. Every miracle you want begins with mastery of the mind. And now, it's time for the call to action. Starting to date, train your mind like a warrior. Sit for 10 minutes in silence every morning. Choose your top 3 tasks every day. Work in focus blocks, no distractions. Put your phone in another room while working. Practice finishing what you start. Build discipline in small moments. Protect your attention like it's your life. Because it is. The world is full of people who want success, but only a few are willing to train their mind for it. Be one of those few. Because the moment you master your focus, you master yourself, and once you master yourself, you can change your entire life. This is your time, this is your mind, this is your power. Modify yourself.